Hi, I am Umar Javed from CyberPanel. In this video, I will tell you about how to append to path Linux. In Linux, the path variable is a system environment variable that specifies the directories in which executable files are located. The shell, by default, looks for executables in some system directories. But if you install new software or tools in a custom directory, appending to path Linux will do that for you so you do not need to visit their respective directories to gain access. Appending to path Linux is useful when you want to add a new directory to the list of locations and shell will search for executables. It enables you to execute scripts, programs, or commands located in that directory without having to provide their full file path each time. For instance, if you installed a program /home /user /my program /bin and you want to execute it from anywhere on your system, add this path to your path variable. This allows you to just type the name of the program, my program for example, instead of the path home user my program bin. Appending to the path in Linux is simple, but it does require modifying certain configuration files. Follow these steps to append to path Linux. First, edit the profile file. The path variable is often set in profile files like .bash rc, bash profile, or profile in your home directory, depending on your shell and system configuration. To append to the path, open the relevant profile file with your preferred text editor. For example, see your screen. Second, add the directory to path. At the end of the file, add the following line to append your directory to the path. Replace path to your directory with the actual path you want to add. For example, see your screen. Third, save the changes. After adding the line, save the file and exit the text editor. In Nano, you can press Ctrl plus X, then press Y to confirm changes, followed by Enter. And fourth, reload the profile file. For the changes to take effect, reload your profile file by running. If you edited a different profile file, example bash profile, use the corresponding file name. Now, your custom directory has been added to your path, and you can execute programs from that directory directly from the terminal. To ensure that your changes have been applied correctly, you can check the current value of the path variable by running. This will display all directories included in the path, and you should see the new directory listed at the end. Now, let's see how to manage path in Linux with CyberPanel. CyberPanel is a web hosting control panel for Linux servers. It will enable you to host your custom tool, your scripts, and your application on your server. You will find it very easy to manage the same with CyberPanel. It modifies the path variable to overcome the challenge of having executable and program files for applications become available without using the command line every time. This is managed without any hassle from a user-friendly interface provided by CyberPanel, which does not need expert Linux knowledge for a server administrator to handle these tasks. Learning how to append to path Linux is one of the critical skill sets of any Linux user or system administrator. Extending your path allows you to work more comfortably and gives you greater control over how your machine interacts with executables. Remember that with a very few simple steps, you can easily append custom directories to your path and make your development experience smoother and more productive. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe for more videos.